Okay, today we're talking about the battery location on a Dodge Ram ProMaster 3500. It is underneath the driver's seat feet. There's a little tab on the corner right here. There's another little tab right here. And then across the top, there's 3 tabs. Across the bottom, there's 3 tabs that just rotate 3/4 of a turn in the counterclockwise direction to take it off. And then once you get those off, there are 2 slots, 2 slotted pieces that go up underneath the dash. To rotate the little pieces, you can use a screwdriver or a penny, and then once you get them undone, you lift that up and kind of pull it back. And then, like I had mentioned, there's 2 tabs on there. Other than that, it just kind of is contoured and it goes in, comes out the same way, and underneath there it's a great big battery. Okay, as you can see, we've got the compartment out, and there are just some little twisties that go 3/4 of the way to close and 3/4 of the way counterclockwise to take it off. So that's how you get to the battery on a Dodge Ram 3500 ProMaster. It is right underneath the feet compartment of the drivers. So thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.